Okay, let's go check out the museum. Hi, I'm Brian. You're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm in Pittsburgh, Tennessee at the Lodge Museum. Check out, see how they make cast iron skillets. Let's go. Okay, I see it. There's a mold there. That makes sense. I guess I could call those dies, actually. Nice. Oh, that's a Lodge triple pour spout skillet. More than one of them. Can you imagine? Ooh, this guy's going to town. That right there is a parlor stove. Don't really have enough money to have a parlor. So that's pretty cool. Use scrap steel. Some pig iron. Can't really see it too well. Recycled castings. And some alloys. Ooh, that's red hot. Ooh, you can feel the heat come off of that. Gotta get it hot and mold it. It's smoking. That's wild. After the molding, it goes through a process called shakeout. It basically knocks off all the sand so they can recycle it. That's pretty cool. Shot blast. I call it shot blast, but basically it's like bead blasting to give a good, nice finish. Probably knocks off some residue. We can look at the fake factory. Oh, this is where they're seasoning it. Well, what's first? You gotta wash them. Now they're going through seasoning. So they've been washed here. Seasoning. And then packaging. I wonder if we should ask this guy where we should be going next. Do you have an idea? Where should we go? Okay, he said this way. Whoa, you farmed this company when you were 15? It says in 1863, a 15-year-old Joseph Lodge left home in search of work. Well done. I was not doing anything like that at 15. A legacy. Ooh. Got a teapot. Oh, they made irons. That makes sense. Let's see what they're keeping safe. Wow, the glare. It's an oven roaster. Got the fajita kit. What else we got here? Oh, we got a desk. What's going on here? Are these the relatives? See Bob, Henry, and Bill. It's for transitioning to palletized molding. That was in 1950. Look, they're still growing. In 2022, They added a molding line. Cool. Made in America. Well, these are to make molds. Got molten materials in there. Well, they made figurines in the Great Depression. I didn't know they did that. That's pretty cool. This is the man behind the iron. Whoa, did you work here for 16 years? You started when you were 14? You worked for 60 years. Well, if I have any questions of how it gets done, you're the man. The enamel line. Oh, they started that in June 23. Let's see what time it is. They're off a little bit. Some backyard barbecuing. The back of Australia.
The process began with making a sand mold. This mold used 166,000 pounds of sand. Pouring the molten iron was next, and once the skillet cooled down, its final weight was 14,360 pounds. The skillet was removed from the sand mold and cleaned up in a shot house. Then it was ground by hand to make it look nice and shiny. Finally, it was shipped to live right here in the Lodge Museum of Cast Iron.
That is pretty cool. So, can you tell what we're going to see in a minute here? What do you think we'll be seeing? Some got all in the picture yet. That right there is the world's largest cast iron skillet, cooking a very large egg from a very large bird. Wow, that's pretty wild. The United States used to be the home of thousands of cast iron foundries. They made everything from cookware to stoves, parts to sewer pipes. I wonder how many are left. That's the Griswold Company. And big Wagner, Braham. Logos on these. It's a Grateful Dead. Right. Tabasco. I like to look at the old brands. Look at Quaker's cornmeal. Myth thrusters. Most common myths and misconceptions. Fact or fiction? Can you use cast iron cookware on a glass top stove? I think you can. Let me see. How do you open this thing up? It says it's perfectly safe. Can you use metal utensils on cast iron? Well, yeah. It's the most durable surface. Your cast iron cookware is ruined if it rusts. Of course not. Can you cook acid or alkaline foods in cast iron? I'm gonna go with yes, you can. In small quantities, these foods are just fine. Oh, I guess I can break it down though. So there's a little bit of truth behind that fiction. Your gas is unbreakable. That is not true. Of course it's breakable. It's durable. Keep in mind the cast iron iron will break before it bends. It should be treated with care like any other piece of cookware. Of course it breaks. The great debate. Cast iron cooks have strong feelings about soap. We don't think it's necessary to use it, but seasoning on cast iron is fairly resistant and can withstand a bit of mild dish soap. Huh. So you can use soap, but it's not recommended. I don't use soap, but I didn't know. I grew up, my parents used soap. So theirs are always rusty. Since I don't use soap, it's not rusty ever again. And it's almost non-stick. Almost. It's easy to clean, let's put it that way. Oh, it's too bad I'm not closer. I would totally go to the cornbread festival. Got little trophies made out of cast iron. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. It's a neat little museum. Have a great day. Bye. I'm going to check out the seconds and see if there's something here I want. You know me, I like a bargain. Or maybe you don't know me, but still, like a bargain. These are all seconds.